Hello guys and welcome back. Now we are ready to perform some exercises using methods. In this lesson we are going to write two exercises. One we will compute the discount of an object that we buy and another where we calculate the tap of a restaurant bell. These won't be very difficult but do give us the chance to review the basics of method design and implementation. Before I start the lesson, if you didn't subscribe to my channel, please hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon for more updates. So let's start off with the tab program first because it only takes one parameter. So what we want to do is write a program so that the user will enter the amount of their bill and then the program will tell them that how much to tap. The first thing we need to do is to create a scanner object for user input. Scanner input is equal to new scanner system.in and a variable to bill and tap. Next we are going to prompt the user to enter the bill. System.out.print enter the amount of your bill. Bill is equal to input dot next double, and then we will say tap is equal to call a function without creating it yet, tap calc bill. Then we will output how much they should tap. System.out.println your tip should be plus tip, and we will put a period at the end to be grammatical. And now what we have to do is to write the method. So static double, because that's the return type, tip calc, and then double amount. Then what we want to do is we want a tip 15% on the bill. This is a very simple one line method. So this is what we are going to say: return amount times 0.15, and that's all we have to do. So to review, remember that a method definition includes the keyword static. Since we are not working with classes yet, the return data type of the method name, the parameter list, which will include each parameter that the method needs, its data type and its name, followed by the body of the method, which in some points has to include return statement. This is a one-line method definition, so the return statement includes all of the body, and then in the main program we have the method call, where calls the method with the argument which has to match the parameters list in both the number of parameters and the data type of each parameter. In this case it does. So let's save and run the program. So let's save it. We are going to write Java C chapter part 7 dot Java and Java chapter part 7, and at the end our bill, let's say $20, and the tip should be $3. So there is one example. Now let's write another method that computes the discount of an item that we are going to purchase. The arguments to the function will be the amount of the item and the discount. Let me comment out this other code first. So for example, we might write discount 25, and that will tell us what the amount of a 5% discount on $20 will be, what the new amount will be. So now let's go back, and this time we are going to write the function first. So we'll leave the tip calc function there, but we'll cut it down that to start a new function, make another line. So we will write static. This one will be a double also, and we will call it discount, and it's going to be double amount and double percent. Percent will be the discount amount. We are going to discount 5% or 10% or whatever the discount is. This again can be a one line method, and we are going to return the amount times percent divided by 100, because this time we are not going to have the user to enter it as a percentage. We are going to enter it as a whole number, and then we are going to divide it by 100 to get the percent, and then we close the body of the method. Now let's use the program. First thing let's do is let's put our scanner object back in the place. So you'll take the comment out there. Let's take it right here. So we have our input object double AMT and discount, and then we will say system dot out dot print, enter the original cost. AMT is equal to input dot next double, and actually because we are going to do 2, we probably need a second scanner object. So let's put a second scanner object in here. Scanner, we call it input 1 is equal to new scanner system dot in. Again we do this because the scanner class has problems when you enter in two numbers and series. So we are going to say system dot out dot print, enter the discount in whole number form. So this is gonna be desk is equal to input 1 dot next double, and then we will say system dot out dot print line, your discount is plus, and then we are going to call the function with amount and discount plus discount AMT discount. So let's save the program, clear the screen, compile. So it works like I have left off a close quote right here. Save it, clear screen, and try it again. Here we go. $20, 5%. So we get the dollar off, and amount is $19. And again, when we write a method and use that method, what we are interested is in making sure that our parameters and our arguments match. So you have two parameters for a discount method, double amount and double percent. And in our call, we have amount and discount. Those match by data type, and we have the right number of arguments, so the method should work correctly. There are two examples of how to write and use methods in our program. To the next exercise, we are going to take the calculator program we worked with before and turn the operations into methods calls. So we have a method for addition, a method for subtraction, a method for multiplication, and method for division. We will do that in the next lesson. If you have any question or suggestion, let me know in the comment section below. Bye.